Think starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2025 is easy? Not so fast. Some niches could ruin your channel before it even begins. Choosing the wrong niche can lead to copyright claims, demonetization, or just wasted time. But don't worry, I'll also share tips to make these niches work if you're determined. Let me show you the top 5 niches you should avoid at all costs, and what to do instead. First up, movie explainer. A while back, tons of creators jumped on this niche, making videos on how to copy videos from Chinese apps and re-upload it on YouTube. Sure, it worked for some, but let me tell you, it's not the best niche for beginners in 2025. Honestly, I even made a video on this topic, and guess what? My comment section was full of creators saying their channels got demonetized just weeks after they started making money. Here's the problem. This niche involves using copyrighted movie clips or stills. If you don't have permission, you're risking copyright claims, demonetization, or worse, your channel getting terminated. Even if you argue fair use, YouTube or movie studios might not agree, especially if your content doesn't shake things up enough. To make this work, you've got to bring something fresh. Break down the movie's themes, share your unique take, or compare it to similar movies. Do not use full movie clips. Just don't. Instead, use screenshots, original animations, or stock footage while narrating your insights. Now let's talk about compilation videos. One of the most tempting niches out there. Here's the setup. These channels piece together funny moments, TikTok highlights, or animal videos and upload them to YouTube. Sounds simple, right? Well, here's the catch. Copyright issues. Unless you have explicit permission from the original creators, YouTube will flag your videos, and trust me, that's the least of your worries. You could face copyright strikes or even lose your channel completely. A lot of people think these videos are covered under fair use, but here's the truth. Unless you add significant transformation, like commentary or educational value, they don't qualify. And it gets worse. Even if your channel blows up, YouTube might refuse to monetize it. And if they do, it's usually short-lived before issues pop up. Many compilation channels end up demonetized with millions of views but zero income. If you're dead set on this niche, reach out to the original creators for permission. Take notes from channels like Daily Dose of Internet, which has over 20 million subscribers. If you are a new creator like me, let's support each other by subscribing, liking, and leaving your comment. Next, the make money online niche. It's a hotspot for creators dishing out tips, strategies, and success stories about earning income online. And hey, it sounds amazing, right? High RPMs, endless viewers, it's got it all. But let me hit you with the truth. This niche is absolutely packed. Heavyweights like Dave, Nick, and Mr. Rice dominate the space, leaving very little room for newcomers. And here's the kicker. Most channels rehash the same ideas over and over, making it really hard to stand out. Plus, audiences in this niche are often skeptical. They're questioning whether the methods shared are legit or just scams. Building trust isn't just important, it's essential. To make this work, you need real results. Share case studies, personal experiences, or actionable strategies. Transparency is key here. Without it, your viewers will lose interest or worse, stop trusting you. Oh, and one more thing. YouTube is strict about misleading claims. If you exaggerate or mislead, you're just asking for trouble. Next on the list is the gaming niche, a favorite for many content creators. From gameplay walkthroughs to game reviews, it's a massive market with billions of viewers. But is it worth diving into? Let's break it down. The gaming niche is one of the most crowded spaces on YouTube. With thousands of new gaming channels popping up daily, it's incredibly hard to stand out unless you bring something unique. Copyright issues. Some games require explicit permission from developers to upload gameplay. Without this, your videos could be flagged or even taken down. Limited monetization opportunities, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships in gaming are limited compared to other niches like finance or technology. Low CPM rates. Gaming videos often have lower ad rates compared to niches targeting older or more affluent audiences. Stand out by creating niche-specific content like speedruns, in-depth strategy guides, or modding tutorials. Offer something different like educational content about game development or deep dives into gaming history. Finally, let's dive into the motivational niche, a category filled with inspiring speeches and uplifting content. While it seems like a great way to connect with audiences, it's one of the riskiest niches out there. Many motivational channels use speeches from famous figures like Tony Robbins or Les Brown without explicit permission. This violates copyright laws and could result in takedowns or strikes. Simply adding background music or visuals doesn't make the content transformative enough to qualify as fair use. The motivational niche is flooded with creators, making it hard to stand out without unique or original content. Even if you manage to grow your channel, copyrighted material often means revenue goes to the original content owners, not you. Instead of reusing existing speeches, Write your own motivational scripts or share personal stories to inspire your audience. Add a personal touch with original voiceovers, narrating your thoughts, or providing commentary on the topic. Narrow down your audience. For example, target entrepreneurs, students, or specific professions with tailored motivational content. If you are a new creator like me, let's support each other by subscribing, liking, and leaving your comment.